Hey guys, and welcome back to AS Equestrian. Today I have a special parcel. So my granddad sent over a parcel and I thought I'd unbox it with you guys. But yeah, anyways, let's get into today's video. So this is the parcel. Got some scissors. I'll tilt the camera down actually. So guys, I've got the parcel. I do not know what it is. Shoot. I cannot open the box. You guys, seriously. So my granddad lives in Australia. Yeah, so he lives in Australia. He sent this over, and apparently it's to help with YouTube. So I'm very excited. Okay, here we go, guys. Whoa! Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Oh my god. Weather resistant bike mount. That is so cool. That's so clever. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. No way, it's a GoPro. Oh my gosh. It's a GoPro. No way, guys. I'm so excited. Let's open it, guys. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Whoa. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's an actual GoPro. That is so cool. I cannot wait to stick that on my helmet. No way, and it's got all these different attachments. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. This is so cool. No way. This is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, I got this really cool GoPro. This is like a full-on GoPro. And like some GoPro attachments. So that. And all the GoPro attachments. This is so cool. No way. This is the Velcro stuff. I literally have no clue what this is. Oh my god, so there's like little Velcro things. I think you can like stick them onto your hand. Like a bit. That is so clever. No way. It's got charging connectors for this, which is really cool. Helmet thing. Another attachment. There's so many attachments. I'm guessing this is the charger. I don't even know what this is. Some zip locks. A attachment thingy. So many attachment thingies. Oh my god, 2 of these. No, wait. Another one of these. Another attachment, seriously. There's so many attachments. Oh my gosh. Another attachment. Oh my gosh, there's so many attachments. Whoa. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to read how to use this. Oh, that's the lens cleaner. This is lens tint. I don't know what that is. And that's the instructions. Oh my god, so that is such a cool gift. So this is a GoPro, and then I got this water resistant mount, bike mount. So it's got that. So it's for a smartphone. So it's for like your phone, and you stick it on your bike. This is clever. Oh my god. But I can actually just take that away. Oh! This thing. No, yes, I don't know. This thing. Oh my god. That is so clever. This is water resistant, so I can take this to the coast as well. No way. This is so cool, you guys. Oh my god, so you put your phone in here, and it's a water resistant case that can also go onto your bike. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to try this out, you guys. This is so cool. Oh my god. Thank you. No way. So it's like a zip. You open it, put your phone in it. I'm filming with my phone, but this is a phone case. That goes in there. Oh my god. This is so cool. This is such a cool present. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was very cool. Just a little short one, but I thought I'd unbox something with you guys. Thank you so much to my granddad for sending these over. They are really cool, and they're definitely going to help with my YouTube. Like, I've got a GoPro, you guys. A GoPro. And this attachment, seriously, so cool. I cannot wait to use this on the bike, like go for bike rides and show you guys. So yeah, and go to the West Coast because we go boating and stuff. Because this is waterproof, it'll be very handy. Like without this, or just as a waterproof phone case. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.